Thank God, alhamdulillah, for the blessing of waking up to another day of life. But one of the first challenges we all face is how to get a good healthy start to our day with breakfast. I get it, you're busy, the mornings are crazy, and you need something fast to grab and go, but that is no excuse to eat a pile of sugary cereal. So today, I'm gonna share my 3 favorite fast and easy, healthy on-the-go breakfasts for busy mornings, so you'll never struggle with breakfast again. Bismillah. Salam guys, this is Amina from Amanah Fitness, bringing you the best mindset, motivation, fitness, and faith tips to help you lose weight and get in shape. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I truly believe that breakfast is one of the keys to success in a healthy lifestyle. Whatever you eat the first thing in the morning is going to set the tone for the way you eat for the rest of the day. And if you make a habit of a great healthy breakfast, that often triggers you to fulfill other healthy habits later in the day. In psychology, we call this a keystone habit. So it's one habit that helps you focus on getting everything else in the day right. But you like your cereal, not to worry, my first breakfast fave is the perfect swap with my speedy oaty cereal. So guys, I got some lovely rolled oats here. These are high in fiber, which keep you feeling full longer. This is what you want to get from your cereal, except it's not loaded with heaps of sugar. And make sure you use these beautiful rolled oats, not quick oats or flavored oats or anything else like that. About half a cup there. You can measure this if you really want to be precise. And then into this, we're just gonna add chia seeds in here just to help it congeal. And then if you're a fan of these sugary cereals, well, this one you're gonna be happy because this is a sweet, nice little cereal recipe. You're gonna just pop in, what is this? 1/4 teaspoon of powdered stevia. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with overnight oats, but I don't have time to make anything the night before. I want to eat this right now, which is exactly what we're going to do here. I'm going to dress this up a bit. I mean, we all know our cereals are normally so sweet, so I'm going to grab just some beautiful pitted dates, 3 or 4 dates. Pop those in there nice and small. These are going to be like beautiful little pops of caramel when you're biting into these, so that's there. Pour in some almond milk. You can use regular milk if you like. So this is the new cereal base. This looks and tastes like cereal. Let's make it a little bit more fun. Let's add some more nutrients. So I really love adding an apple in here, just hacking up a few bit of apple into here. Add some more fiber, some more flavor. This right here, I eat this almost every single day. Bismillah. Like apple caramel, so good. If you want to be even faster than that, don't have time to chop up an apple, go ahead and grab some frozen strawberries and you can just pop these in instead of the apple. This is another one of my favorite variations that I do a lot. I love the frozen strawberries. You don't even have to chop anything. Give that a good mix. So guys, have fun with playing around with different fruits. You can make it as fancy as you like or as simple as you like, depending on how much time you have. You can definitely pop these in the fridge if you want to make them overnight, but I really like just making them in the morning, letting them sit for 30 seconds to a minute. That lets the oats soften just a little bit, but it still retains a bite like cereal. So good, alhamdulillah. If you're a cereal addict, you gotta try this. All right, we got the sweet breakfast out of the way. This one's for my egg lovers. We're gonna be batch making some egg muffins with some beautiful vegetables. It's gonna be great and last you the whole week. So to start off, we just chopped up our veggies. Use whatever leftover veggies you have. I like bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, just anything that works. And we're gonna be making batch for like the whole week. So however many eggs you have, just go ahead and use them all because these are delicious and they store really well. Everyone's gonna love them. Just gonna quickly whisk that up. Now you can get really fancy if you want, put in different proteins, veggies, spices, but I'm just gonna keep it really simple. The great thing about this is that a little bit of effort on the weekend gives you beautiful eggs in the morning for the whole week instead of some packaged junk food. Pepper, some salt, get in some of those beautiful bell peppers. I love them. And some tomatoes, some of those broccolis too. Give that a really good mix. Okay, perfect, we're ready. So I'm just gonna grab a muffin tin and I'm just gonna spoon in the veggies and the mixture into each of them. These are gonna make really cute little egg cups that you can just pop out of the fridge and pop into your mouth. Preheating my oven to 180 degrees. Sliding those in, it's just gonna take 20 minutes, super fast, and then you got breakfast for the whole week. So the egg muffins are done, they look and smell amazing. So 7 eggs made 12 muffins. So you can scale up as you need to. Now you can either eat these hot on the day that you make them fresh out of the oven. You can put them in the fridge and eat them cold, or you can even heat them up in the microwave for like 30 seconds to make them hot on the morning as well. What could be better better than that? Fresh omelets straight out of the fridge on a busy weekday morning. Let's make the final super fast breakfast a super speedy green breakfast smoothie. Now, a lot of green smoothies have a long list of ingredients and kind of taste a bit weird, so this is a very basic recipe that's very beginner friendly. So even if you don't like green smoothies, you'll probably like this because the secret ingredient we have here is frozen grapes. So I just literally picked a whole bunch of grapes, popped them in a Ziploc the night before, and those act like the ice, and they also give some natural sweetness. So we have here a handful of pre-washed kale. It comes in these convenient little bags. Try spinach if you're a total beginner to green smoothies, it's a bit milder. Then we just have a small handful of frozen grapes and a small handful of frozen strawberries. Now, if you want to make this the night ahead, you can, and that'll even speed this up in the morning. All you would do is dump all of these things into a container, a Ziploc, whatever you want. Pop this whole thing in the freezer. In the morning, you're just going to dump everything into the blender. And this is optional, but if you like a little bit of heat, you like how they make it at those fancy juice bars, pop in just a small stick of fragrant ginger. Pour in some almond milk. Just blend it up till it's a beautiful alligator murky green color. But if you are a super sweet tooth like myself, depending on your desired sweetness level, feel free to add a few extra drops of liquid stevia. So fresh, great way to start the morning. Pop it into a water bottle, take it in the car to work. No excuses to not get that healthy breakfast in. So there you go, guys. 3 super fast, healthy breakfast ideas to get you through the week. If you like this video, please give it a like to support this channel and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And why not share this video with a friend who is super busy and needs a hand with busy breakfast. If you want more healthy, guilt-free recipes, be sure to grab my top 25 healthy snack ideas ebook right over there. Watch another video from me here and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Amanah Fitness. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay blessed and stay fit. Salam.